Hey guys, this is the Impossible Channel. This is James, and we're just showing you a normal beach, a crowded beach. We don't know exactly the location, which is bad, but we decided to show you what can happen nowadays when you are at the beach. We uploaded recently, I believe this week, a video on Rio de Janeiro's bike lane, if I'm not mistaken. It was simply sucked from where it was into the ocean, and someone caught it on video and we uploaded it. It happened about a month ago, and this is a video where you can see the beach is going to be sucked by the ocean as well. So if you haven't yet watched our sand smuggling documentary, it's not ours actually, but we have uploaded it. It's a very good documentary on what's happening to the world. Why is this happening? Like, why are these beaches going, like, disappearing? Why are these? Are we building too close to the beach, or is actually the ocean, eating some part of the land? So I'm gonna leave you with the original video here without my comments, and well, I want you to give us a feedback on what you think about this, if you have seen something similar, or if you think this is just nonsense, and please comment and share. Oh, please don't forget to watch our video about sand smuggling. It's really serious. It's a documentary that many have shared, and I think it's drawing some attention, because I think finally people are starting to see that the problem is not oil, it's sand. So anyway guys, I'll leave you with this. It's a really nice video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share. See you.
Wow. You got that one?
Look at this, babe. Look at that wave.